Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a pet fee on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and make sure you're logged in. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Listings. This will take you to a page where all your property listings are displayed, making it easy to manage each one individually. Once you're on the listings page, tap on the specific listing where you want to add a pet fee. This could be any property you're renting out, whether it's an apartment, house, or guest room. Selecting the right listing ensures you're applying the pet fee to the correct property. After opening your listing, scroll down through the various settings and options until you find pricing. This section is where you control all the financial aspects of your listing, including nightly rates, cleaning fees, and additional charges. Tap on Pricing to access these settings. Inside the Pricing section, look for an option labeled Fees and tap on it. This is where Airbnb allows you to set up extra charges for specific services or amenities. The Fees section is designed to help you add transparent costs that guests can see before they book. Now you'll be able to see the pet fee option listed among other potential fees. This feature is specifically designed for hosts who allow pets but want to charge an additional amount to cover any extra cleaning or potential wear and tear that comes with accommodating animals. Tap on the field directly under Pet Fee. This will activate the input area where you can enter your desired amount. A keyboard should appear on your screen ready for you to type in the fee. Now input the amount you want to charge for the pet fee. Consider what's fair and competitive in your area while also covering any additional costs you might incur. For example, you might enter $25 or $50 depending on your property and local market rates. Once you've entered your pet fee amount, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This action will store your new pet fee setting and make it active on your listing. The fee will now be automatically added to bookings when guests indicate they're bringing a pet. And that's it. You've successfully added a pet fee to your Airbnb listing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.